Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to talk you through how you can change the front end of your Defender for £1,000. So I'm going to introduce here, so what this is a stock one. The client's obviously painted this gloss black. Personally this look is, it's suitable, it's acceptable. I don't like doing it because I hate this, I hate the tackiness, and what it does do, it rubs through the paint eventually. But I'm a lover of the series, and when I started Maker I came up with these headlight surrounds. Grille combination. Every car that leaves here has this combo on it, and the reason is I just like it. It's made from metal, pressed metal. It carries a bit of heritage, if you like, from my roots. So these are series bezels for those of you that don't know them, and these are pressed headlight surrounds. So to buy this kit here, these are £250 for the set of 4. They come with all the fixings you require. The grille is £250 plus that. And the other piece of the puzzle are the headlights. So the headlights are around about the 500 mark. You can go anywhere from truck lights to the La Pritz ones from Oak Ridge Engineering that we've been fitting a lot of. So on average, £1,000 gets you an upgraded front end, and come and check this out. So this is what an installed £1,000 front end looks like. These are the La Pritz daytime running light headlights, fantastic quality and superior nighttime. These really light up the road ahead. This headlight surround kit has been finished in Santorini gloss black, along with the grille. This grille has been cut out to accept the Nomad Mighty Billet red winch. So if you get an idea, guys, this is what £1,000 will get you, and in my opinion, transform the look of your Defender.
When you're looking for parts like these, what's the importance of looking at compatibility between models?
Well, series parts, the only parts of a series that will fit are the headlight surrounds, as in the bezels. The rest, a Defender is a Defender, as simple as that, really.
So there's no variance between models, really?
Yeah, so I've supplied many of these kits to DIYers that have literally stripped. If you can work a posi screwdriver and some cable connectors, you can fit this kit.